Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions regarding week 2 assignment of cloud computing. So before starting the video, please watch the video till the end because to avoid any changes if I make between the video. So let's start our video. For the first question, which of the following is not an example of public cloud? The answer for first question is option C, that is Amazon VPC. So mark option C as correct answer for first question. And coming to second question, statement 1, private cloud may exist off premises. Statement 2, private cloud can be managed by a third party. So the answer for second question is option C, both statements are true. And third question, VMware vCloud is an example of which kind of cloud deployment model? The answer for third question is option B, that is private cloud. So mark option B as correct answer for third question. And coming to fourth one, which of the following statement is false about virtualization? The fourth question answer is option A. It allows running multiple OSs simultaneously with no isolation. So it is the false statement and hence it becomes the correct answer for fourth question. And coming to fifth one, what is the different goals of virtual machine architecture? So here we have three answers. Option A, resource control. Option B, equivalence. Option C, efficiency. So mark A, B and C as the correct answer for fifth question. So A, B, C. Coming to sixth one, sometimes XML along with XSLT is characteristics wise equivalent to HTML. The answer could be option A. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding the answers, please comment in the comment section. I will try to reply to those valid queries. And coming to seventh one, UDDI is a data interchange format to store, transmit data objects consisting of attribute value files. The answer is option B, false, because it is applicable for JSON but not UDDI. So answer is option B, false. Seventh answer is option B. And coming to eighth one, which of the following statements is false? The answer for eighth question is option C. XML parser continues processing even if the data is not well formed. So mark option C as correct answer for eighth question. And coming to ninth one, last but one question, SACS operates on the documents as a whole. DOM parsers operate on each piece of XML. The answer is false because actually SAX parsers operate on each piece of XML and DOM operates on the documents as well, but they have given the reverse. So it is false. So mark option B as correct answer for ninth question. And coming to the final question of this assignment 2, that is 10th question, they have given two statements. Statement 1 is cluster manager can be geographically distributed in the IaaS cloud service model. Statement 2, within a large cluster manager, the computer manager is connected by a high-speed network in the IaaS cloud service model. Here, both the statements are true. So, the option is option C. So, mark option C as correct answer for 10th question. So, friends, these are the answers regarding the second assignment of cloud computing. So, the only doubt exists in this assignment for me is the 6th question. I am going with option A. If you are correct with your answer, please comment in the comment section. So keep supporting our channel. If you feel the video is helpful for you, then like this video and share to your friends, and keep supporting us like this. Until then, be safe, be happy.